In this video, let's learn more about features of hybrid cars. These best practices will help you to get the best fuel efficiency and a greater performance. Let's start. To switch on your car, ensure the car gear lever is on P position. Depress the brake pedal and push the power button. Your car is now in ready on condition. Hybrid cars are often silent, and when it is ready on, it is all set to drive. Shift the gear lever to D to start driving. Always use D while driving in normal conditions, like in the city or while cruising in straight highways. Shift gear lever to B while driving in downhill conditions to get additional assistance with our engine braking systems, which are designed to ensure your safety. Always use P gear position instead of N while temporarily stopping your car. There could be situations like long traffic signals. P gear position will help to keep your hybrid battery in charging condition to provide you the best fuel efficiency. N gear position is only meant for towing or manually pushing the car. When you use N gear position rather than P for a longer time during idling condition, a warning message will display on your MID with a beep sound to shift the gear position to P. Remember to switch off your car completely by moving the gear lever to P position and pressing the power button. When the car is powered off in any gear other than P position, it switches to accessory on mode. This mode will still keep the infotainment system on, and also you cannot lock your car door until the gear lever is shifted to P. Hope these tips are useful in knowing your hybrid car. Have a pleasant and environmentally friendly driving experience of Toyota's self-charging hybrid cars. Happy motoring!